Welcome Sunset Motors. My name is Frank Gerard. We are located in West Tennessee. I've got a sharp 2017 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon. As you can see, it's got a little bit of custom work on it. Beautiful color. I believe Jeep calls it Gabi, but I mean it's a tan. It's beautiful. It's got some nice aftermarket wheels. The brand is Ballistic Off-Road. They're 17-inch aluminum painted with some BF Goodrich all-terrain. The size is 34 10.5 by 17. It's got a nice quiet ride. It doesn't ride like a log wagon or a lot of roaring noise, nothing like that. It's got a Fox Racing suspension kit on it. I believe it's the best one out there as far as riding comfort. Well made, shock won't rust. Just drives really good. This one's got the HID automatic headlights, HID fog lights. It's a gorgeous Jeep. It is a one-owner, clean Carfax, Southern Jeep. No rust, no mud, non-smoker. The right kind. It does have keyless entry, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, and with the Rubicon you get the real off-road options where you can lock in the axles, the sway bar, all electronically. You get tilt. It's got the audio control behind the steering wheel. Got the all-weather floor mat front and back. Nice clean cloth seats. Still smells new. Leather wrapped steering wheel. I might have said that already, but 15,138 miles. Very low miles. Got your outside temperature, compass, trip computer. Got voice command, Bluetooth for your phone, cruise control, AM, FM, CD, XM satellite, and auxiliary input. There's your power windows control, there's your climate control, power mirrors, traction control, hill descent assist, 115 outlet control, 12 volt, shift on the fly, 4-wheel drive, automatic transmission. Got another 12 volt outlet and a USB. I do have the owner's manual, got an extra key coming. It's got the auto dimming rearview mirror, the 3-piece Freedom top. You can just take the front off if you want, make it a little convertible, or you can take the whole top off. It's got these nice grab handle, real solid metal at all 4 position. Get the all-weather floor mat back here too. Get the speaker bar on the roll bar. Get some grab handle here, and then the metal ones here. So you can see it's got a nice clean frame. Doesn't appear to have been in the mud yet. The wheels and tires are brand new. Got your tow hook. This one has the towing package, factory towing package with the light plug-in, LED backup light, got rear defrost and wiper. Plenty of room back here, and the seat folds forward if you need some extra space. And you've got some storage here, and the jack is underneath. This is still my favorite body style. It's very clean and in excellent condition. These lights are really cool. They look good and they shine really good. Got a 3.6 liter V6, reliable engine, plenty of power, and decent fuel mileage. As you can see, everything's nice and clean, just like a new one. It's been serviced, ready to go. This one does come with the full factory warranty remaining. You can see the detail for the description, but you get the 3-year 36 bumper to bumper and the 560 on the powertrain. To get a new one dressed up like this, it'd be close to 50 grand, so pretty good savings. If you're looking for a sharp Jeep that's turnkey, ready to go, you don't have to do anything to it, I believe you found it. To see if this Rubicon is still for sale, go to my website, sunsetmotors.com. If it's on the website, it's for sale. If not, you're too late and it's gone. I do have very competitive financing available with low interest rate, nationwide financing. I've got a credit application on my website. You can fill it out and I get to work on it, see what we can do. Worldwide shipping is also available. To get a shipping quote, or if you have any other question, you can call or text me anytime, 731-686-8800. Thank you for watching and come and see us.